might be wondering, CJ, is it the thing that you think I'm doing? If your mind is correct. Got a cup. Oh, you know what I'm doing now. You guys are like, is this what I think it is? Yes, it is. Water plus water makes this. Ready, guys? I'm sure you're ready. 3, 2, 1. It is finally here. The time has come. The nature play button. I could put it right next to my sapling. I'm actually so happy I got this, guys. You have no idea. After one, not that much rebirths, I get this bad boy. Wow. I mean, let me just take a screenshot of that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Zoom in to the percentages that it gave me. 3,000, guys. Literally 3,000. Straight up. 3,000. Boost. 3,000. It's insane. I'd say this is a win. Now my next plague I'm gonna get is my goal is to get all the plagues. You're not a plague robot. You're not as good as the beauty. I just rebirthed. Bye, guys.